Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Love you guys. Thanks for being here today. See what's happening in my craft room. I have a comment from one of the gals that follow me, and her name is Cammy, and she is her YouTube channel is American Wife, and she asked a very good question. She goes, well, how do you use these journals to make them how do you create these journals to make them usable? Because there's no writing space in here, or there's very little writing space. You can't really write on top of this. Can't write on top of that. This has got things on it that would be maybe a little difficult to write on, and you can't write on that necessarily or that. And she's right, absolutely right. This is correct, and that totally is writing space, but this isn't. And so and this isn't. And this might be a little difficult, but I think you could work it. But I think I want to talk about maybe making ways to make this be a usable journal. And like, you can't write on this. I'm gonna cover that up. Maybe we'll do something. We'll use pockets and tags and belly bands. We will use other things that, you know, tip-ins to make ways to make this a usable journal. Like, you have this page you can't really write on. I mean, you could if you had a fat black pen, that would cover it up enough. And this one you really can't. You got a little pocket here for a small piece, but the rest of this is not very usable. And she's right, you know. So Cammy, thanks for the idea of, you know, coming back to this and making it more usable as a journal. Because a lot of times we make these and we use all our pretty papers and we have these wonderful ideas to begin with, to have it all put together, but then you want to be able to use it. So that's what I'm going to address today. that is fun. That adds a spot right there to write on. This I think you can write on. It is a metallic type of thing. Let's give it a shot. Let's make a box. Yep, totally right on that. This is just a regular pen. And this you can write on. Although it's shaving cream, you might want to, wow, that's interesting. I think I'm going to have to use a marker type of thing to write on that. Or we could just add a paper clipped type of thing. What else? Well, you guys, you know, I've got a few more pages left, but I'm looking at the clock. It's already 30 minutes in and I'm off camera. Sorry. But I've got other spaces in here. That's not one of them. That's one right there. That's a spot. So, yeah, there's options. So I hope this helps you out, Cammy. It makes sense. And for anybody else looking at a journal like this and going, well, where do you write? Because you gotta cover something. You gotta do something with that to make it work, to be a journal thing. Same with that. Same with that. You know, you just keep adding little things. You could take this. I might take this one out and use it as a journal spot. I could just tuck it onto there with a paper clip or staple it. So there's ways, and I hope I've shown you some ways, but it's because of it has gotten a little thick, little alligatory, but no worries. It's kind of what we do sometimes. We make things alligatory. All right, you guys, I'm going to keep working on this and finish it off, but you guys understand, and I hope that answers your question, Cammy. And that's it. Okay, I love you guys. Take care, and as always, God bless. Bye-bye.